You may know many English words, but when someone starts a simple conversation, your mind can still go blank. Welcome to Day 13 of the 30-Day English Speaking Challenge with English 1314. Today, you will practice 30 useful sentences for starting, continuing, and ending everyday conversations naturally. We will practice with shadowing. First, listen to the full sentence. Then repeat it in short chunks after me. Copy the rhythm, the pauses, and the feeling of the sentence. You do not need to be perfect. Speak slowly and clearly. Now, let us begin with the first 10 sentences. These sentences will help you start a conversation and answer naturally when someone asks how you are doing. Listen to the full sentence first. Then repeat each chunk after me. How is your day going so far? How is your day going so far? How has your week been so far? How has your week been so far? What has been keeping you busy lately? What has been keeping you busy lately? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Long time no see. Long time no see. I am having a pretty good day. I am having a pretty good day. Not too bad. I am just a little busy. Not too bad. I am just a little busy. I am okay. Just a bit tired today. I am okay. Just a bit tired today. Things have been going pretty well lately. Things have been going pretty well lately. I am doing well. How about you? I am doing well. How about you? Great job. You have just practiced 10 sentences for starting and answering everyday conversations. Next, we will practice how to keep a conversation going naturally. When someone answers you, you do not need to give a long response. A short reaction and one related question are often enough. That sounds really interesting. That sounds really interesting. Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that. How did you get started with that? How did you get started with that? What do you enjoy most about it? What do you enjoy most about it? It sounds like you had a pretty busy day. It sounds like you had a pretty busy day. I know how that feels. I know how that feels. Really, what happened next? Really, what happened next? How often do you do that? How often do you do that? Has that been difficult for you? Has that been difficult for you? Something similar happened to me. Something similar happened to me. Very good. You have just practiced 10 sentences that can keep a conversation from ending too quickly. Now, we will practice 10 sentences for making plans and ending a conversation naturally. When you invite someone, you do not need to sound too formal. Short and relaxed sentences usually sound more natural in daily conversation. Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? We should get coffee sometime. We should get coffee sometime. Would you like to join us for lunch? Would you like to join us for lunch? We could meet after work. We could meet after work. What day works for you? What day works for you? Let me check my schedule. Let me check my schedule. That time works for me. That time works for me. Maybe we can do it another time. Maybe we can do it another time. It was nice talking with you. It was nice talking with you. Hope to see you again soon. Hope to see you again soon. Excellent work. You have now completed all 30 shadowing sentences for everyday conversations. Now, let us use some of these sentences in a realistic conversation. Imagine that you meet a coworker at a cafe near your office. Listen to the other person, then shadow your own replies. Hi, how is your day going so far? I am having a pretty good day. I am having a pretty good day. Glad to hear that. How is work today? It is pretty busy, but things are going well. It is pretty busy, but things are going well. Sounds like a busy day. Yes, I am a little tired. Yes, I am a little tired. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Not yet. I might relax at home. Not yet. I might relax at home. We should get coffee sometime. That sounds good. That sounds good. Does Saturday work for you? Let me check my schedule. Let me check my schedule. No problem. We can decide later. Sounds good. Sounds good. It was nice talking with you. It was nice talking with you. Me too. See you soon. Great job. You have just completed a short, everyday conversation in English. Practice this conversation one more time and try to answer a little faster. Do not translate every word in your head. Listen, understand the meaning, and respond naturally. Before we finish, let us do a quick response test. This time, I will give you a situation. Take a moment to think, then say a sentence that fits the situation. After a short moment, you will hear one possible answer. You do not need to remember every word exactly. Someone asks how your day is going. Say your answer out loud. I am having a pretty good day. Someone says they have had a very busy day. Say your answer out loud. I know how that feels. You want to know more about something they just told you. Take a moment to think. Now say your answer out loud. Tell me more about that. You want to invite a coworker to get coffee. Take a moment to think. Now say your answer out loud. We should get coffee sometime. The other person asks what day works for you. Take a moment to think. Now say your answer out loud. Let me check my schedule. Excellent. You just remembered and used the sentences without reviewing the whole lesson. This is how you train yourself to respond faster in a real conversation. You have completed Day 13 of the 30-Day English Speaking Challenge with English 1314. Today, you practiced 30 sentences for starting, continuing, and ending everyday conversations naturally. You do not need to remember everything immediately. Choose 3 sentences that feel useful to you and practice them again today. If you have stayed with me until the end, complete this sentence in the comments. This weekend, I am going to. Add your own weekend plan to the end of the sentence. Do not worry if your answer is not perfect. Every time you speak, your English response becomes a little faster and more natural.